Welcome back! Today, we're revealing the 6 coolest cars you can buy in 2025 for under $10,000. This isn't just about cheap rides, it's about cars with real character that make you smile every time you drive. I've dug deep to find some truly surprising options. Legendary handling, iconic style, even rally-bred performance. Get ready for a fresh look at where the real value is hiding in the enthusiast car world. Let's jump in with our first contender, a true icon of affordable sports cars. First up, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, the go-to for pure driving joy on a budget. For under $10K, you're looking at the NB generation, maybe a high-mileage NC if you're lucky. The Miata is all about fun light, nimble, and perfectly balanced. The steering is direct, the chassis is playful, and the car feels like an extension of you. The 1.8L 4-cylinder isn't fast, but the car's lightweight makes every drive exciting. The manual shifter is legendary, short, precise, and satisfying. Miatas are reliable, cheap to maintain, and have a massive aftermarket for mods. The community is welcoming and you can build your Miata into anything. Track toy, cruiser, autocross champ. Downsides? It's tiny, storage is minimal, and the interior is basic. Tall drivers may find it cramped, and the soft top can leak if neglected. Rust is the biggest enemy, especially in the rocker panels and rear arches. Always check for rust and deferred maintenance before buying. Look for regular oil changes and timing belt replacements. But for pure, top-down driving fun, nothing under $10K comes close. It's not about speed, it's about connection and joy. The Miata is a legend for a reason. It's our first and maybe most obvious pick for coolest car under $10K. Let's move on to something with a bit more muscle. Next, the Ford Mustang, an American icon of affordable performance. For $10K, you'll find 5th Gen S197 models, mostly 2005-2009 V6s. The V6 makes 210 HP, more than some older V8s, and sounds great. It's not a track monster, but it's plenty of fun and has classic muscle car style. The retro design nails the 60s fastback vibe and it turns heads everywhere. Inside, it's all about nostalgia. Big gauges, a 3-spoke wheel, and a usable back seat. The trunk is huge, practical for daily life. The driving experience is old-school solid rear axle, comfy on the highway, a bit rough in corners. Watch for interior rattles and worn plastics. The V6 is reliable, but listen for timing chain noise and check the auto trans for rough shifts. Look for signs of abuse. These cars are often driven hard. For under $10K, the V6 Mustang delivers style, usability, and fun. It's a different flavor from the Miata, more muscle, more presence. The quintessential American pony car, and a steal at this price. Ready for something with a European twist? Let's head to Germany. Third on our list, the BMW 3 Series, specifically the E90, 2006-2011. For under $10K, you get a taste of German engineering and luxury. The E90's chassis is perfectly balanced with hydraulic steering that's pure magic. Inline-6 engines like the 328i are smooth, powerful, and sound fantastic. The interior feels solid and premium even after a decade. It's refined, comfortable, and a joy to drive. Weekday commuter or weekend canyon carver. But maintenance is key. Oil leaks, water pump, and thermostat failures are common. Parts and labor cost more than a Honda, so buy one with a full service history. Avoid neglected examples. They'll drain your wallet fast. Always get a pre-purchase inspection from a BMW specialist. Find a well-cared-for E90 and you'll have a car that's stylish, fun, and rewarding. It's the driver's choice for under $10K. Now let's get back to Japan for a car that's all about high-revving fun. Next up, the Honda Civic Si. Let's go. The Honda Civic Si, proof you can have fun, reliability, and practicality in one car. For $10K, look for the 8th Gen, 2006-2011, coupe or sedan. The star is the K20Z3 engine, 2.0L, VTEC, and an 8,000 revolutions per minute redline. It's tame in traffic but screams when you push it. VTEC kicks in, and it's addictive. The manual transmission is one of the best, short, precise, and a joy to use. Standard limited slip diff means great traction and cornering. The chassis is sharp, steering is quick, and it's nimble without being harsh. It's practical too. 4 doors, big trunk, and Honda reliability. Watch for abuse. Many have been modified or raced. Check for third gear grinding and signs of cheap mods. A well-maintained Psy will run forever and make every commute exciting. It's the perfect all-rounder for the enthusiast on a budget. Next, let's check out the original hot hatch, the Volkswagen GTI. Ready for turbo power? Here we go. The Volkswagen GTI, hot hatch royalty. For $10K, target the MK5, 2006-2009 or an early MK6. The 2.0L turbo engine delivers 200 GP and instant torque, quick, responsive, and fun. Choose a slick 6-speed manual or the fast-shifting DSG automatic. The GTI is just as happy in city traffic as it is on a twisty road. The chassis balances sharp handling with a comfortable ride, refined but playful. Inside you get plaid sports seats, a flat-bottom wheel, and a premium feel. It's practical too. Fold the seats for huge cargo space. Watch for cam follower wear and DSG service history. Neglect can be costly. Look for a stock, well-maintained example with full records. The MK5 GTI is fast, practical, and feels special. Perfect for the grown-up enthusiast. It's the jack-of-all-trades performance bargain. Now let's finish with a rally legend that's ready for any weather. The Subaru WRX is up next. Let's dive in. Last but not least, the Subaru WRX, a rally icon for all seasons. For under $10K, look for the Hawkeye, 2006-2007, or early 3rd gen, 2008-2010. The WRX's full-time all-wheel drive gives you grip and confidence in any weather. The turbocharged 2.5L boxer engine delivers a unique rumble and explosive power. There's turbo lag, then a big surge, raw, addictive, and pure rally spirit. The driving experience is aggressive and mechanical, less refined but more visceral. Available as sedan or hatch, both practical for daily life and adventures. Interiors are basic but functional, with supportive seats and good driving position. Reliability? The EJ engine has known issues. Ringland failure, head gaskets, especially if abused or modified. Always get a compression and leak down test before buying. Look for stock or professionally tuned examples with full service records. Avoid cars with cheap mods or signs of neglect. A well-kept WRX is a year-round performance hero with a cult following. It's raw, capable, and a direct link to rally history. For 4-season fun and turbo thrills, nothing else compares at this price. That wraps up our list. Let's see what you'd pick. There you have it, 6 amazing cars under $10K for 2025. From Miata to WRX, there's something for every enthusiast. Remember, do your research, get a pre-purchase inspection, and buy the best maintained example you can find. What's your favorite? Or did we miss a hidden gem? Drop your pick in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more enthusiast car guides. Thanks for watching. See you next time.